the ATTIX 751 wet vacuum pump out. And the amount of times I get asked, how long a suction hose can we run? And we just posted a video a few days ago, and I'll put reference to that video in the description. But I wanted to show you, obviously any vacuum with length of hose, you're going to get decreased suction. So it's 3,600 litres a minute airflow. The internal pump out pump is 300 litres a minute at 9 metres of head height, which is absolutely crazy. But we have an extended vacuum hose, 15 metres. And I just wanted to run you through what sort of suction we're going to get at that 15 metres. So if we're using it on a dedicated surface cleaner in a warehouse like this, or any other type of water recovery action, this particular vacuum system is absolutely fantastic. Let's carry out a functional demonstration. Come for a walk. So if you're in the restoration business, pressure cleaning, water recovery, food industry, this particular vacuum system is absolutely remarkable. So once we put the vacuum into auto, it looks after itself. So 15 metres of flex hose, and we're going to carry out a functional test. We'll drop the hose in, we'll do a scoot back, and look how the vacuum performs. Let's go. Come for a walk. It's latched onto the bottom there. There we go. So 15 metres. And there we go, auto pump out at 15 metres. That's the ATTIX 751 wet vacuum cleaner. And I do say wet because it is wet. Check out all our other videos at Blue Tongue Industries on YouTube. You can see information about this on ionicsystems.com.au. So as soon as the vacuum finishes the pump out, it goes back into suction automatically, and we'll continue the process as long as we've got it in the auto position. We can do a manual dump, and we can vary the airflow, selecting the switch either way. Check out all our other videos. Appreciate you watching. Prices at ionicsystems.com.au. Catch you on the next video.